You didn't lose that trade because of the market, you lost it before you've even clicked. Inside your mind, the outcome was already decided. You know your strategy. You study the charts. And yet you hesitate when you should act, you act when you should wait, and when it's over you don't recognize the person who traded. Your brain doesn't care about your strategy. It cares about patterns. Thoughts become signals, signals become neural pathways, pathways become habits, and habits become your identity as a trader. Two traders, same setup, same risk. One executes with precision. The other spirals into chaos. The difference is not the market. It's the mental rehearsal that happened before the trade. This is where most traders fail. They prepare their charts but never prepare their mind. Guided visualization is how elite performers train their brain to execute under pressure, not imagination conditioning. When you visualize a trade, your brain doesn't fully distinguish between real execution and imagined execution. The same neural circuits fire, the same emotional responses activate. But here's the advantage: you control the outcome. Guided visualization is simple but not easy. You don't just see the trade, you feel it. The patience, the hesitation, the urge to break rules, and then you override it. Now this is where you stop watching and start training. Sit still, relax your body, take a deep breath and another, let your shoulders drop, let your jaw relax, pause the video for a moment and settle into this state. Now see your trading screen in front of you. The market is about to open. Feel the usual tension, but this time you are calm. Your breath is steady. You are not chasing, you are observing. Let that sink in. A setup begins to form, your mind notices it, but doesn't rush. You wait. You let the candle close. You let confirmation build. Feel the urge to jump in early, now watch yourself resist it. You stay disciplined. Pause the video and feel that control. Now, the moment comes. Everything aligns. And you execute clean, precise, without hesitation. No fear, no doubt, just action. Feel that clarity. The trade moves, there's a pullback. Your old self would panic here, but not now. You trust your plan. You let the trade breathe. You don't interfere. You stay present. And then your target is hit. You exit without greed, without hesitation, just execution. Feel that completion, not excitement, control. Now slowly come back. Open your eyes. That wasn't imagination. That was neural conditioning. You just trained your brain to execute differently. Now apply it. Before the market, visualize perfect execution. During trading, recall the feeling of control. After the market, replay your trades and correct them mentally. This is how repetition builds identity. You don't become disciplined by trying harder. You become disciplined by becoming someone who executes without conflict. That identity is built in moments like this. Every trade you take is a reflection of who you believe you are. Change that, and your results follow. If this video added value in your life, hit that like and subscribe button and share it with someone who needs control.